again.
So this is like
I have to make cupcakes tonight. They have some clearance stuff. Some dresses for $5. And I want to get the girls matching dresses. But I feel like Destiny's too big for matching dresses. Like I found these two right here. Let me show them. Can I show the sunshine? Can I show them? Okay, so we got this one and that one. It's only $10 for the two only. And then I found some hostas and fern. For the hostas I found for, okay, I'm coming. I found the hostas for $1.50, originally $5. And then I found the fern for $1.50. Put it back. Yeah, good choice. Destiny, you gonna buy some dresses for you and your sister? She has money. How much is it?
$12.94.
$12.94. You have enough for one for you and one for your sister?
That's $24, I think.
Okay.
I want to buy it so bad.
You want to buy the romper? Okay. You can get yours and I'll get Sissy's. She don't like to spend her money. She do not like to spend her own money.
I will.
You gonna get it?
Yes, because I want to.
Okay. What size is that? You have to make sure it's the right size. 14, 16. You like that one or do you like?
I like this one.
This one over here. You like that one? Or this one?
I like this one.
The sequence? Okay.
Sissy, yours is here.
So now you need a top to wear under it. So I see a unicorn. I see a unicorn right here. I believe in unicorn, and it has sequins. It's $6.88, so that's $7. 7 plus $12.95 is how much? Is it $12.95 or $94? $13 plus 7. That's flat 20 for your outfit.
Okay.
You want it? Okay. Stop crying. I just finished mopping my floor. The thing about these floors is that they get so dry. I just need, I saw someone with a buffing machine or something. What do you guys use to clean your laminate floors? Because I love my floors, but it gets so dry. Like right now I love the sheen on them, but it's just wet. But I just cleaned it, and I need to go make me some juice, and I'm thirsty. So thirsty, it's not even funny. Supposed to be making cupcakes later on. I'm having a little friend of mine coming over. I love her so much. She's so sweet. I'm gonna make cupcakes with her. Hey, dirty bots. Say hi to the friends. Say hi, guys. Hi. What are you up to today? Nothing? Look here. Look right here. That's where you need to look. Tell the friends what you're up to today. What are you up to today? What are you doing today? You watching Anya? Watching Anya on TV? You want to go finish watching Anya? Okay, go finish watching your Anya. What do you want? You want me to turn it around on you? Okay, all right. Let's do a show for the sunshines, okay? No? You don't want to dance?
No.
What do you want to do? Nothing? Okay. Okay. I washed the rug. And this is the true color right here. These spots right here are discolored. I need to wash it again. One more wash, and I think it will come back. But I love this rug because it hides dirt. So good, because you think it's part of the rug and stuff, but I love it. Love this rug, and this is an 8x10, and I paid less than $100 for it.
Yes, sir.
I want to. Okay, I take this out.
Yeah, this is what we do Friday night. Yeah. Oh, no light, no light. Isn't that good light? Oh, there you go, good light. Yeah.
Stop.
Yeah. Ah.
Kentucky. No, a vlog day. Vlog day. Rob barbecued chicken right there. Fed the kids. And, yeah. Kentucky gentleman. Yeah. He did fireworks in the backyard for me. I'm such a special girl. There go Rob. You guys can't see him. There go Rob. Rob is ready to eat because he's like hungry. But he did fireworks in the backyard for me because, you know, I'm a special girl. So I get 4th of July early. And a vlog a day. Rob, you want to say what's up to the peeps?
No.
No? Rob is not willing to say what's up to you guys. I don't know what's up with that, so you guys can take it up with him. I don't have nothing to do with that. I don't know what y'all did to Rob, but he made some bomb jerk chicken. Oh.
Hey. Hey. Yeah.
Rob knows how to cook some jerk chicken. You hear me? He might be a Spanish man, but he knows how to jerk some chicken.
Where do they buy their fireworks?
Where do you guys get your fireworks from? Rob is interested.
You stop fucking Jeff. Stop it.
Rob, watch your mouth. Watch your mouth.
Oh,
Kids are watching.
I'm sorry. Go. Give her brown water.
What?
Stop this shit. Stop this shit.
The chicken dancing. What? Chicken dancing, Rob.
Yeah, you chicken dance. Give it to her.
You know what funny thing is? I never think we're ghetto and trashy. Guess what? Live your best life. You know what? Because you don't know what tomorrow brings. You don't know if you're going to wake up dead. Or one night you're going to crash into an 18-wheeler and die. Live your best life, okay? Because I'm going to live mine. Which entails a jerk chicken. My daughter bought her outfit. This thing, did you show them your outfit? No? This thing bought her outfit. She loves sequins. Slay the day. Slay the day. And her overall, her dad think it's too short. But I think it's perfect length. But her dad think it's too short. But this is her $20 outfit. This was $12.95. This was $5. So, yeah. So it's like $20. Her grandfather gave her $20 and she bought her first pair of outfit. And I'm proud of her because she could have used the money and bought candy, but instead she invested in herself. I'm proud of her. She's a boss lady. She's a boss lady. I'm gonna go eat my chicken. Maddie's sleeping. I didn't vlog much today, but I promise you guys a vlog day. Look at Maddie. She's sleeping. She's dirty, but hey, I'm living my best life. So my best life entails my daughter goes to bed dirty. She's sick because I can't really bathe her because she's sick. There's motion at your backyard. Okay, my husband is out there. So Maddie's sick. She has this random cold. I know a lot of you guys are gonna hate this video because I'm eating and talking. But she has this random cold. Oh, I didn't even show you guys. I made cupcakes. I was the Martha Stewart. I was the Black Martha Stewart today. So I made cupcakes. They're so good. I ate like 5 of them. I just couldn't stop. But what was I telling you guys? Maddie has a random cold. I don't know where she got it from. She just woke up sick one day, and she has a random cold. And yeah. I don't know what to tell you guys. Tomorrow is Saturday. Usually we go to camp, because it's camp meeting, but we're not going. We're not going to camp meeting this year. And yeah.
Oh my God, are you still eating?
I'm not eating. I'm talking. That's different. His jerk chicken is bomb. Like, you guys should get a chance. Mia's supposed to be coming to visit me this summer. I'm gonna make her some jerk chicken. Girl, Mia, if you're watching this, I'm gonna make you some good jerk chicken when you come to visit. You're gonna love it. We love jerk chicken. My husband has mastered it, and he's Spanish. It's so good.
Hey, potato. Hey,
Hey! Hey, don't raise your voice in this house. Take it down a notch.
Potato.
Because she don't want it.
Eh?
She don't want a mashed potato.
Why you eating my potato?
Me?
Yeah.
Anyways, I'm gonna go edit this video.
Huh?
I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog.
Huh?
This is real, uncut, unedited, raw. This is what we do on Fridays. Just hang out. BS.
I mean, I feel vegetable. Why are you doing it?
Everybody around us act all bougie and like they're better than everybody else, but guess what? This is us. This is us. This is what we do. We live our best life. Live your best life, because if you wake up dead tomorrow morning, you're just dead. And you have to live your life. Live your life. Don't worry about what Tom, Dick, and Harry have to say about you. Live your life. Don't worry about what your mama think about you. Live your life. Don't worry about what your sister think about you. Live your life. Don't worry about what some random person might think about you. Live your life. Live your life, because if you wake up dead, guess what? You're just dead. Okay? I don't know what else to tell you. But I'm going to go live my best life. Y'all live y'all best life. And we'll continue to be sunshines together. I don't know why I need to change y'all name, because I don't outgrew sunshines. But I love my sunshines. But I outgrew it. That's my favorite Spanish music. Boy! Boy!
She cracked her phone.
I cracked my phone. I broke my phone.
That phone's gonna be
But that's what happened when you live your best life. Boyo!
She's crazy.
Awoyo! Awoyo! Listen for the beat to drop. Bye! I'm gonna take y'all outside. Roberto, turn on the light. Alright, come on. But guess what? I'm living my best life. You do the same. Why? Stupid. Yeah, I'm done.
Jaxson.
Anyways, I'm gonna catch you guys tomorrow. Peace out. Bye, guys.